Now is the time for you to learn how to make egg roll like a pro. First thing you want to do is to put in raw eggs into the pot. It is always good for you to source for quality fresh eggs, either directly from the farm or from trusted vendors. So this helps you achieve a richer taste, a firmer egg texture, and an overall better egg roll result. So now make sure you wash them properly and then you add in enough water into the pot, cover that and allow it to boil for about 15 minutes. Then you take them out of the hot water and transfer into a bowl that has cold water in it. If it has ice in it, then that's perfect. Once you're done with this, you now go ahead to peel off the skin. So the cold water is going to help you peel off the skin very easily. You can do this on a running tap, and if you're using room temperature water just like I'm doing, if the water gets warm, change it, okay, so that you can keep on peeling the eggs on ease. Once you're done with that, you set them aside. Then in a big bowl, you go in with 4 cups of sifted flour, 5 tablespoons of sugar, half teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Stir to combine and then make a well in the middle. So I would always emphasize on ensuring that you sift your flour before you proceed with this step, okay? Now you would crack in an egg into the middle, and then you will also add in 1 over 4 cup of melted butter or melted margarine into it as well. Then go in with 2 over 3 cup of full cream liquid milk. Just in case you don't know, 2 over 3 cup of liquid milk means 1 over 3 cup 2 times, okay? So once you add that in, you mix them together, then gently add in half cup of room temperature water. Add that in bits so that you can have a perfect mixing process. Now we are not kneading, we are just mixing. So once you're done mixing that, you set it aside and allow it to rest for at least 10 minutes before proceeding to the next step, which is to put the dough one side, same as some flour and then the boiled eggs. So now you dip your palm into the flour and then you take a portion of the dough, then flatten it out and take one of the boiled eggs, put it in the middle, and now seal gently and very properly, okay? So you want to make sure that there is no hole or there is no rough patch anywhere around it. Just take your time and do it properly. So the flour is going to do two things. One would be to help your hands not to stick to the dough, and the second one would be if any of the boiled egg is somehow wet, you just roll it into the flour before you put it in the middle of the dough. One other important step is once you're done rolling properly, you use your two palms to roll it just as seen in the video before you start frying. Now before you start frying, just drop a pinch of flour into the hot oil. Once it sizzles up, that means the oil is ready. Transfer the egg rolls into the hot oil and then try to use something to just stir them around. One of the reasons why you have to do that consistently while frying is because it's going to help you achieve that even golden brown color all around, and it's also going to keep the shape smooth and well formed. Now, once you see that it has fried properly and the color is this very beautiful golden brown look, then your egg rolls are ready. You take them out and transfer into a sieve or a plate that has some kitchen tissue on that. So it's just going to help suck out the excess oil, that's if there is any. I hope you all learned something new today. If you do, please don't forget to like this video, drop your comments, and subscribe if you're yet to. Tap the notification bell as well so you get notified whenever I post a new video. If you follow every instructions in this video to a T, that means you're now a pro at making egg rolls. Congratulations!